One of the most significant advantages of a 48-volt permanent lighting system is that we can run extension cables up to 30 feet without requiring us to boost the signal. This is a signal booster, and if you need to extend beyond 30 feet, you need to insert one of these into the line. So here's an example. I have, let's say I have some lights coming from the side here, and I can run an extension cable to go to, say, another roof line, for example, up to 30 feet. If I need to go longer, I need to insert a booster into that line, and then I can extend up to another 30 feet before I get to the lights. So the 30 feet is cumulative. Here's an example where, let's say I'm going from this side where I have my lights. I'm going to split in two different directions. I have an extension cord that's 5 feet before I get to more lights. I am able to add up to 25 feet of extension cord on this side before I require a booster. If this needs to go to let's say 30 feet on this side, for example, that would be a total of 35. That's too much. So I would need to insert a booster here and then extend the extra 5 feet. The booster could be inserted over here as well as an option if that looks cleaner for your installation. Here's another example where I've split the line twice. So I've gone 5 feet over here to my lights. I've added 5 feet of extension here, so a total of 10. And then I've got 10 feet of extension cable here to my next set of lights. So I currently have 20 feet of extension cable. That means I can add another 10 feet of extension cable here before exceeding my 30-foot maximum. If I need to go beyond 10 feet, and let's say it's 20 feet, for example, let's say that's 20 feet. I need to insert a signal booster somewhere in this line. And probably the easiest place to insert it would be right about here. I could also put it in over here if I wanted to instead, because again, I've got 10 plus 20, so we're good. I've got 30 feet of extension cable on this side of the booster. So the signal booster gives you the flexibility to run extension cable beyond 30 feet. If for some reason you're caught short without a booster because maybe you forgot to order one, the lights themselves also behave like a booster. And so one little trick you could do is insert one of these into the line, put some electrical tape around it to black it out, and it becomes your booster as well. Obviously, this is going to look a little bit more clean inside the track.